everyone, it's me Mukil again. Today I'm going to show you some animal drawings which I drew today. Keep watching this video till the end because I have some surprises to show you. Alright, let's start with the first animal. Check out this cheetah. Don't you think it has long whiskers? And it's looking for his prey. This is a monkey. I think he's happy and climbing trees. His tail is sticking out. Boom! Let's move on to the other one. These are 3 baby pandas and a mama panda. They're happily in the bamboo sticks. This is a baby fox. He's sitting on a log. The wind is making the leaves to circle him. I think he's practicing some moves. He's trying to learn tricks. This is a panda with a mic and headphones. Don't you think that's crazy? And this is a shark with headphones and a sweater. That's so funny. It won't be true with shark with a sweater and a headphone. This is a crocodile. It's a small crocodile and yellowish parts here. Its teeth is sticking out. I think it's happy. It's learning to swim maybe? This is Garfield. Don't you think he's a fat cat? He eats way too much lasagna. And this is a protector raccoon. I named it a protector raccoon and it's protecting the popcorn so that another raccoon don't take it. She will share it with her family. And this is a trash can near it. This is a big fox with shadows. Don't you think that's cool? And this red instead of little orangey. Now to the surprise. What do you think? This looks like a pumpkin. What do you think will be inside? Pause this video and think for a moment. Come back to the video and I'll show you what it is. Ready, steady, go! Whoa, it's a shark. It's not a pumpkin. It's about to swallow jellyfish and some fishes. This is a cute kitten. And it's living in a socks. Don't you think that's funny? Let's open the socks and see what's inside. Ready, steady, go! There are 3 kittens, not only one. And this one is cool, right? One side white and one side brown. And there's some candy canes in the side. Don't you think they're cute? Thanks for watching. Please support and subscribe my channel for more videos.